Hello my friends, I am back today with Born Pretty L103, and this plate is all chains. All kinds of different kinds of chains, swirly chains, straight chains, link chains, box chains, just any kind of chain. I wonder how many times I can say chain before, let me just stop using that word right now. The point is, if you don't like the 3D stuff, or if you want to add to the 3D stuff and get like a multi-level, two-dimensional, three-dimensional look, I think this plate has some great options for you. Oh, look at the hearts. Look at how cute that is. You know, obviously, they're all different sizes, but so let me just give you a shot here with the inches and the centimeters, and you can see that these are really, really narrow, so you're going to be able to play along with around with that, but they're really, really long. So there's plenty of length to be able to cover your nails. And like, even like that, look at how cool that is, coming like just down from the tips of your nail or just down from the bottom of your nail. You could do it just on one nail, you could do it on every nail, you could do it in different colors like a rainbow gradient across, or you could do it like all in black and then just have one pop in red. So even that alone is just a cool design element. All right, let's go play around with it. Alright, I am going to start with this. This is Spellbound Nails Holly Jolly. It's a green with this gorgeous goldy glimmer. Alright, there's the image. So I love this as a look for even just kind of dropping it farther down towards the half moon. It also has a very kind of Celtic feel to me, that particular chain. Alright, so on this one, this is Zoya Karen. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a double stamp, first in black to give it kind of a shadow effect, and then in silver. Alrighty, there's that image. Gorgeous. Alright, so there is the first layer. Alright. So I got a little bit squirrely. I'm not used to having nails that long, so that's the sort of effect that I want to go for right there. Alright, so there's that first layer. Alright, much better. So you might have to try once or twice to get it, you know, so that you're getting it where you can match it all the way up and down, but that one is much better. And look at that. Try that with real chain, see how far you get. Alright, so for the last look, I'm starting with, this is Zoya Sandy. And there's the image. And I'll be honest, I think that's adorable just by itself. For a simple little French tip, I think that is super, super cute. Now this time what I want to do is I want to kind of interlink them, but beneath each other, like it's a layered look. So, but layering them just barely one over the other like that. And how much fun, how cute would this be for Valentine's Day? How cute would it be to kind of take this down so you could stamp like white, slightly darker pink, slightly darker pink, slightly darker pink, dark red, kind of go in a little gradient up and down. That would be so cute. I think that's adorable and simple and easy to do with that clear stamper. And if you're looking at this going, oh, there looks like there's a little link missing, that's just the design, and you can see because not only is it that way out of that one, but it's the same way out of that one. So that's intentional for some reason. So there you go. Alright, so let's take a look at the top coated versions. There is just, I love the, I feel like that's edgy, but a little, it's like got an edgy elegance to it. And here is the chain stripes or plaid, however you want to think about that. And then the little linked heart French tip kind of look. Alright, I will link everything down below, and thank you for watching. And like, even just this, like, okay, maybe you're not okay. Maybe you're tangled up in the light. That could be a possibility too.